welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little bit, don't judge me, this is still like a work in progress type of thing, and I think I've said that several times in other of my videos. I do want to say that I hope everybody's staying safe and taking the precautions that they need to be taking, you know, during this time, because it is kind of difficult and it's kind of scary. On the other hand, on a positive note, I do want to say that this video is going to be about the VIP Sephora haul. I did splurge a little bit, and that's just mainly because I'm going to pinpoint something out. I am breaking out. Like, I'm breaking out here, I'm breaking out here. I'm in my mid-20s, so I don't know if this is what is called acne, adult acne. I'm not 100% sure, so that's something that I am still discovering. So with a lot of the skincare things that I might show you, is maybe I think it might help me. Even if it doesn't, I'll, you know, let you guys know. But of course, this is a work in progress for like the skincare issues that I'm having. So why don't we just get started and show you what I got? Like, everybody's showing you, so why not show you, right? Okay, so the first item is it's Dior. Okay, so this is Dior Capture Youth line. And this is the new Enzyme Effect, or the new Skin Effect Enzyme Solution, which is supposed to be an age delay resurfacing water. Supposed to help with gentle resurfacing effect, which helps revitalize the skin. I think I'm saying that right. And it's supposed to, you know, clarify and hydrate. So this is one of the skincare products that I'm like, okay, maybe it might help my skin with the current situation. So okay, so the next product, I always debated about buying it, but you know, with the 20% off, I was like, okay, might as well. This is the Gucci or whatever you want to call it, but this is a satin lip color in the color Penny Beige, which is the number 104. This one has already been sold out, so it's I think it's a really popular color. However, it is around $40-something. Not 100% sure, but it's also really pretty packaging. It's really like a gold detail, and it is really heavy. I've seen, you know, on YouTube and on Instagram, a lot of people liking this color, and they like some other colors too, but I only bought one. So I figured, why not buy like a nude color that I can use every day. I do not want to use it right now. I feel like this is for a more bougie occasion, you know. The next one is a Charlotte Tilbury product. Now this is the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder foundation, and it does have like SPF 15, and this is in the color 5 medium. Now this is supposedly what the app in Sephora, you know, when you can match the current foundation that you're using to something that you want to try, and it said that it matched it perfectly. So hopefully this is my color, because the one that I currently use right now is the Even Better Glow from Clinique in number 40, cream chamois or cream chamois, however you want to say it, right? I hope that this works out for my skin tone, and you know, that it works out and it works something to the same color that I currently have. Otherwise, it will have to be returned. This other product is exactly like the Charlotte Tilbury situation. I actually purchased this Dior 24-hour full coverage creamy concealer, and this was an estimated guess, okay? Because I know that I use concealers that have some type of peach undertone or yellow undertone, and I did, you know, in the app I did ask questions, but nobody seemed to answer, so I did my estimated guess, and I ended up getting the 2WP, which is warm peach. This is just something that I'm gonna have to see if it does match, and if it's not, it's just gonna have to go back, because this was close to $38 or $40, I want to say. So it is pretty, and I do like it. I like the packaging. It looks sturdy. It looks like it can fall, and it can take the fall, okay? So this is just one of those products, like, I hope you work, and if you don't, you're gonna go back. Next item is a skincare item. This is a Sephora Brightening Eye Cream, and this says that it has hyaluronic acid, and it hydrates and depuffs, okay? Again, I did my own review research where a lot of the comments said that it does help, and I also like looked it up on YouTube, where some of the people did like it, other people didn't. So it's like a 50-50 to try out, but you know, only for the eye area. It does say that this help to hydrate skin, which is another thing that I think I might need. You know, currently going through a skincare situation. I'm trying to figure out like some of the items that I do have and some of the items that maybe don't work anymore. So some of the eye creams that I do have might, you know, have to go, and I might have to replace them. This was actually really affordable. So that's what I liked. It was really affordable. It's not too big, so you don't get a lot, you know, it's not like humongous, but it is a good way to try out the Sephora skincare line. Product, I was actually debating a lot if I wanted to buy the full price item or not. So this is the Drunk Elephant. This is a Drunk Elephant Time to Wake Up, and it's more of a morning routine. The problem that I had is this: the actual full size of one of these items is $80, and that is the Sephora Day Serum. That's the one that is like $80 for this one for a full size item, right? The Be Intense Hydration, this one is $48. Now, and this is those are the prices for full size items. So I didn't want to spend that type of money if this was not going to work for my skin. So I decided to buy the travel size item and figure out if they're going to work for me or not. The other thing is there is mixed reviews on these products on their on the review page, on like YouTube. Everybody has different opinions about it because it does different things to different types of skin tones. Some people will break out, some people don't like it, some people feel it's sticky. So I just, you know, why would I spend $80 and $48 on a product that I don't know if it's gonna work for me? So might as well just get these, use these, figure if they work, and if they do work, great. But if they don't, then I didn't lose a lot of money. Another product that I did get was the Gucci. Ooh, bougie, you mean? This is the Gucci mascara. I think that it recently came out. I like mascaras, okay? It's just my go-to. Like a lipstick and a mascara would always be in my purse because sometimes I don't put makeup on. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I don't put makeup on. I don't have time for foundation. Sometimes I'm running late for work. Okay, like, oh. Want to know something? I forget to put gas in my car sometimes, and I'm just like, no, I'll do it in the morning. And then, you know, when you do it in the morning, you're running late. That's why. So, so we have this here. The Gucci mascara is fancy. I like the packaging. I really do. It's just, I don't understand, Gucci, why you so expensive. And hopefully the mascara, you know, product, like the actual product inside, is good too. So that's the only thing. This is just a mascara. I don't know if there's anything special to it, but hopefully it gives me a little bit of volume or length, whichever one it is, and I'll be okay with it. Okay, so the next product, I know that it recently came out as well. This one is this one is the Natasha To Nonna, the mini palette. Don't really know what was the name of it, but it's the mini retro palette. And I know that it recently came out. It's about $25. I haven't purchased the actual big size of Natasha To Nonna's palettes. Eyeshadow palettes, I've always purchased the $25 ones. And so far, the $25 ones have been working great for me. So pretty, look at this. Look at all these colors, girls. Look at this, oh guys. Look at all of that. That is really pretty. It's really soft. I like that it's soft, and I like that it's not heavy. I actually have the warm colors, like an everyday look as well, or for the office. I have those, and I always like when it does this. I like that it does that. I feel like my package is secure. Even though it's small, I can actually put this in a travel bag, or at some point I did have a makeup bag in my office. They've always worked for me, so why would I purchase the big size when the small ones, you know, work good as well? I promise that we're close to the end. I promise. Okay, it's an original product that I used, and it was one of the first facial cleansers that I used when I started, like, being more concerned about my skincare and started with makeup, which is actually not that long ago, to be honest. But this is the One Step Facial Cleanser from Purity. I actually bought the big size. This is the 16 ounces because the other ones were sold out. The small one was sold out. The 8, I think it was the 8 ounce that I wanted to get, and it was sold out. So I bought the next one, which this one was actually $36, but you know, you get the 20% off discount. I'm taking Purity back, and hopefully it helps with like cleaning my pores, removing my makeups, like a deep cleansing. It also helps condition the skin. fragrance-free formula. And I've always heard good things about the Purity One Step Facial Cleanser. It's just me, you know, I left it out in the dust. And now it's coming back to my life. Okay, so the next product is, I actually used the travel size item of this exact color, which is from MARC JACOBS, which is the lip liner. And this is in the lip liner color 300 Nudist. There was a travel size that I had, and I always had it in my purse, right? I used the hell out of that lip liner because I just liked the way the color felt on me, the way it looked on me. I just felt like it was the perfect nude lip liner at the time. And even if I didn't have a lip gloss or a lipstick, I would use that as a whole. I recently remember, I'm like, why not actually purchase the full size item and see if I love it the way that I love the travel size. So here you go. This is the lip liner that I actually purchased. Other than this one, I got some samples. I got the Lord Jones, which is a body lotion, right? Then I got the Shiseido or Shiseido, whatever, right? And this is the, I think it's a mascara. Yeah, this is a mascara. And then after that, I got some I got the Kate Somerville, and then the Belief. Good product to try. Already tried it and love it. Haven't repurchased it again, but I definitely would, you know. Well guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not a massive haul like everybody else, you know, but there's some products that, you know, I am trying out. Some of these are new products for me. Other ones, I want to say maybe one product is something that I've used before. Everything else is new. Two of those products are, if they don't work for my skin tone, they're gonna go back so I can get my money back for that. I do have products over here that I purchased online that I want to talk to you about. So they're right here that I'll probably make videos about it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching and taking the time to watch my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.